Imagine diving into the world of AI-driven business and unlocking a passive income stream that can bring in $300 per day. The best part? It's a hidden gem with little competition. Today, I'm about to unveil the secret sauce for launching a thriving AI-powered venture. In this video, we're embarking on an exciting journey together. We'll explore the step-by-step process of crafting and selling travel itineraries on Etsy, and the best part is, you can do it all for free. From brainstorming brilliant ideas to adding that professional polish, I'll be your guiding light. Make sure to stick around till the end, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this golden opportunity. Let's dive right in. Travel itineraries are an absolute essential for any traveler, whether you're exploring a foreign land or just a new city in your own country. They're the ultimate tool for efficient trip planning, encompassing everything from must-visit spots to the best dining options and ideal accommodations. Some travelers enjoy crafting their own itineraries, savoring every detail, while others prefer to save time by purchasing them. Now, picture this: the pandemic is behind us, international borders are wide open, and the travel industry is booming like never before. People who've been yearning for adventures are now making up for lost time. That's why there's no better moment than now to dive into this thriving market. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. We'll harness the power of AI to create a visually stunning itinerary, give it that extra sparkle with Canva, and then effortlessly list it as a digital product on Etsy. When your customer makes a purchase in your Etsy shop, it's an automatic download for them. You won't have to lift a finger. You do this once, and it becomes your source of passive income. Step 1. Crafting your itinerary with Romify. Let me introduce you to Romify.com, a fantastic platform that not only lets you create travel plans and itineraries for free but takes it a step further by offering booking services too. For our purpose, we'll use Romify to effortlessly craft our travel plan. Now, with the global fascination for K-pop, I'm going to design a thrilling itinerary that will take us to the epicenter of K-pop culture, Seoul, South Korea. Begin on Romify's homepage, and in the search bar, simply type in Seoul. If you're aiming for a 7-day adventure, select dates that span across a week in the Travel Dates tab. However, for our 4-day itinerary, select a 4-day span. Then, hit Submit Trip Request, and in a matter of seconds, your itinerary is ready. On the left side, you'll find a comprehensive overview of your 4-day adventure. Day 1, for instance, promises a captivating exploration of Seoul's historical and divine beauty. By clicking the down arrow next to each destination, you'll dive deep into the details. Romify provides stunning photos of the attraction, a brief introduction, a handy map, and even suggests the ideal time to visit. If you decide to remove a particular attraction from your list, simply click on the trash bin icon. As you can see, Romify has expertly planned out days 2, 3, and 4 for you, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable travel experience. Step 2. Designing your itinerary with Canva. Now that we have our fantastic travel plan ready, it's time to transform it into a downloadable PDF document for our future customers. To do this, follow these simple steps. First of all, log into your Canva account, or if you don't have one, it's easy to sign up for free. Once you're in Canva, you can type in a travel itinerary and choose one of their templates. Alternatively, you can create one from scratch. I quite like this design here, so I'm going to start with this design. Now, let's copy and paste the valuable information we obtained from Romify into our Canva document. This is where the magic happens as we turn data into a beautiful and functional travel itinerary. Once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to make it available to your future customers. Simply download it as a PDF file. Before we dive into the next exciting step, I kindly request you to support our channel by liking this video, hitting the subscribe button, and ringing the notification bell. Your support means the world to us. Now, let's venture into the next step. Step 3. Listing your itinerary on Etsy. Now comes the exhilarating part, transforming your meticulously crafted travel itinerary into a sought-after digital product and making waves on Etsy. Head over to Etsy's website. When it comes to pricing, you're in control. You'll find a diverse range of travel arrangements on Etsy, with prices spanning from $5 to $25, and sometimes even higher. Since you understand the true value of your product, you can set a price that's both reasonable and profitable. Now, it's time to create a listing for your travel plan. After signing in or setting up your Etsy account, look for the option to create a new listing. Be sure to craft a compelling and attention-grabbing title for your listing. Showcase your creation with captivating images or screenshots of your trip's itinerary. And provide a comprehensive description of your travel itinerary. Highlight the incredible activities, hidden gems, and insider insights you've included. Paint a vivid picture of the adventure you're offering to potential buyers. With your itinerary now on Etsy, you're all set to embark on a journey of passive income. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed your passion for travel into a lucrative income stream. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What destination would you create an itinerary for? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our community of savvy entrepreneurs. Happy travels and happy earnings!